Hello, music lovers. This Black History Month, we're celebrating the one and only Aretha Franklin, the Queen of Soul. Aretha had the most incredible voice we've ever heard. It was powerful, soulful, and full of emotion. When she sang, you could feel it in your heart. Aretha grew up singing in church. Gospel music is a type of music that's about faith and joy. It really helped her develop her amazing voice. Aretha sang all kinds of songs, but she was most famous for her soul music. Soul music is like a mix of gospel, blues, and pop. Listen to this. Can you hear how powerful her voice is? She could hold a note for a long time and make it sound so beautiful. That's called melisma. Aretha Franklin was a superstar. She won so many awards and everyone loved her music. She was also a very important person in the civil rights movement. She used her voice to sing about equality and justice. Want to hear more about Aretha's amazing voice? Ask your parents to help you find her songs online. You can even find videos of her performing live. She was truly a queen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more musical magic.